Assalamualaikum dear students. In our last video, we have completed some sums based on the property. Now today, we will see one more property, that is distributive property. Let's see how to solve this. Here you can see A multiplied by in bracket B plus C. Here you are having two operations, multiplication and addition. Now one thing you need to get clear, that is A multiplied by B plus B. There is a vast difference between these two. So don't write in this way, this is wrong. A multiplied by in bracket B plus C. So what it means, this A will gets multiplied with the whole bracket. यानी ब्रैकेट में जितने भी नंबर्स है और जितनी भी टर्म्स है वो सबके साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो हाउ विल इट गेट्स मल्टीप्लाई? लेट्स सी. A फर्स्ट A मल्टीप्लाई बाय B, यानी वो पहले इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इट इन दिस मैनर. A मल्टीप्लाई बाय B. एंड व्हाट्स आफ्टर B? B के बाद क्या है ब्रैकेट में? प्लस. सो दिस प्लस साइन विल बी एज इट इज. एंड प्लस के बाद क्या है? C. सो A मल्टीप्लाई बाय C. A मल्टीप्लाई बाय C. So this is how we have to multiply, and this is distributive property. A will get distributes over B and C. Okay, so this is the distributive property. Let's take one example based on this property. Suppose 2 into 4 plus 9. So how we are going to solve it? First we'll get multiply with 4. So 2 multiply by 4, and after 4 there is a sign of addition. So here we are going to put the same sign which they have given here. And then 2 multiply by 9. So here 2 multiply by 9. Then after we are going to solve each and every bracket. So 2 4s are 8, plus sign will remain as it is, and 2 9s are 18. So 18 plus 8, 26. So this is your answer. I hope you understood. Now let's see some examples based on this property. And the question is, find the product using suitable properties. Please read the question carefully. Many of the students simply multiplying these two numbers and they are writing the answer. Though your answer will be correct, but you will not get marks, because here they have specified that you have to use the properties. So you must have to use the properties over here, then only you will get the marks. Okay, so how to solve using property? What is the first step in this? 738 multiplied by 103. So what is the first step? You are going to make part of 103. Means you will write it in this way, 100 plus 3. ओके, यानी 103 को 100 प्लस कोई नंबर में आपको री राइट करना है. 100 प्लस 3, 100 प्लस 4, 100 प्लस 2 likewise, and then you will replace it by. So 738 will be as it is, this multiplication sign will be as it is, and this 103 will be replaced by this 100 plus 3. Now here you can apply the property very easily. Which property you are going to apply? You are going to apply over here distributive property. 738 multiplied by whole bracket. So first we'll get multiply with 100. So 738 multiplied by 100. Then this sign will be as it is, and 738 multiplied by 3. So 738 multiplied by 3. Then what we are going to do? We are going to solve the brackets first. So 738 multiplied by 100. 738 ones are 738 and 2 zeros. Then this plus sign will be as it is, and 738 multiplied by 3. So you will multiply and check. 738 multiplied by 3. So 3 8s are, or 8 3s are 24. 4 down, 2 up. Then 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11. 1 down, 1 up. 3 7s are 21 plus 1 22. So what is the answer of it? 2214. So it will be replaced by product, that is 2214. Now follow this mathematical operation. What's that? Plus sign means you are going to add them. So 73,800 plus 2214. 0 plus 4, 4, 1, 8 plus 2, 10, carry over, 3 plus 2, 5 and 6 and 7. So this is your answer, 76,014. This is how we have to solve. Then next, this 854 will be as it is, multiplication sign will be as it is, and then after this 102 will make its part. And how? 100 plus 2. We'll rewrite in this way. 100 plus 2. Why are we doing this? Because we want to apply the property. That's why here we have taken 100 plus 2. Because what is distributive property? A multiplied by in bracket B plus C. So we want this term. That's why we have bifurcated 102 in 100 plus 2. Now easily we can apply the property. 854 multiplied by first number in the bracket. So 854 multiplied by 100. Then what's the sign? Plus, and 854 multiplied by 2. Then after we are going to solve the brackets first. So 854 multiplied by 100. 854 ones are 854 and 2 zeros. Plus 854 into 2. Let's multiply and check. 854 into 2. So 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 1 up. 2 8s are 16 and 1 17. So 1708. Then after, here is the sign of addition. So we are going to add both the numbers. 85,400 plus 1,708. So 0 plus 8, 8, 0. 4 plus 7 or 7 plus 4, 11, 1 carry over, 5 plus 1, 6 and 7 and 8. So this is your answer, 87,108. So here 258 will be as it is, multiplication sign will be as it is, and this 1008 जो thousands के फॉर्म में दिए होंगे ना, वही नंबर्स को हम लोग एडिशन के फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. 1008, then 1005 likewise. Okay, so 1008 will be 1000 plus 8. यहाँ 100 plus 8 नहीं ले सकेंगे. 100 plus 8 लेंगे तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? 108. We want 1008. So 1000 plus 8. And then similar way, we will multiply with 1000. So 258 multiplied by 1000, plus sign will be as it is. And 258 multiply by 8. So 258 multiply by 8, right? Now 258 multiply by 1000. So 258 ones are 258 and 3 zeros plus 258 multiply by 8. So let's multiply and check. 258 multiply by 8. 8 8s are 64, 4 down 6, up. 8 5s are 40, plus 6, 46, 4 up. 8 2s are 16, plus 4, 20. So 2064. And then we are going to add them. So 25,800 plus 2064. So 0 plus 4, 4, 6, 8, 7 and 2. So your answer will be 27,864. You get that? Then D. D you will do by yourself. 1005. So 1000 plus 5 and then similar way you will multiply. Let me give you one step. 1000 plus 5 multiply by 168. You can write it in this way also. 168 multiply by 1000 plus 5 and then you can solve. Because multiplication is commutative, means you can multiply the numbers in any order. So you can do this. Now let's see the next question. Match the following. Question 5 and 6 we'll do later on. First let us complete this. Match the following. Here you can see 1, 2 and 3 and A, B, C. You have to match these columns. And if you will observe that this match the following is based on the properties which we have studied. So two properties we have studied, commutative property and distributive property. What is commutative property? Commutative property for addition and multiplication is you can add or multiply the numbers in any orders. That means अगर आप कोई भी ऑर्डर में उसे मल्टीप्लाई या ऐड करोगे, आंसर विल रिमेन सेम. एंड दिस इज द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. Distributive property we'll see here. So let's see first. What will be the first pair? 1. What is the answer of 1? 425 multiplied by 136. So 425 multiplied by this. Here you can see that this is distributive property. Multiplication, addition sign both are there. So distributivity, multiplication under addition. So multiplication under addition. Distributivity of multiplication under addition. So answer of 1 will be C. Similar way, second. Here you can see 2 multiplied by 48 multiplied by 50 equals to 250 and 48. Here numbers are same. 2, 2, 50, 50, 48, 48. Numbers are same and sign is of multiplication. But what is the difference? Difference is only of its order. So what's that? Commutativity under multiplication. Why multiplication? Because there is a sign of multiplication. So answer of second will be A. Then third. So here in third property, third one, 80 plus 2005 plus 20. 80 plus 20 plus 2005. Here all the numbers are same. 80, 80, 2005, 2005, 20, 20. Numbers are same, but what they have changed? They have changed their order. And here is a sign of addition. So which property is that? Commutativity under addition. So answer of third will be B. Understood? Now in next session we will start 5 and 6.